Publisher, Project 3, Create and Design a Doorknob Hanger. For this project, you'll want to choose the blank 11 by 8.5 landscape paper. And then save the file as Doorknob Hanger. So File, Save As. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Doorknob Hanger. Save. Then set up your document using the page setup instructions provided on the next page. So page 11, it shows you want margins of 0.25. Let's go to page design, margins, narrow, has everything at 2.5 or 0.25, so you can go ahead and choose narrow. Then it says using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle that measures 4 inches wide by 8 inches tall, giving it a 1-point border. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert, Shapes, Rectangle, draw a rectangle, and again to get the exact size I can go to my Format tab and change that top one to 8, so it's 8 inches tall and 4 inches wide. And then it says to align to the top of the page so it's even with that top margin, and then I need to give it the 1-point out border. There we go. Then it wants you to position a horizontal guide at 1 inch. So go up to your ruler until you see that double line with the arrow and click and drag it down until it's at 1 inch over there on the side. So there I got it at 1 inch. Release. Using the oval tool, draw a circle measuring 2.75 inches in diameter, giving it a 1-point border. Place the circle so the top is touching the 1 inch horizontal guide and center it within your rectangle. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shape, grab my oval, just drag a circle, and since it is a circle it has to have both width and height have to be 2.75. I'm just going to type 2.75 in both the width and height. I have a circle that's 2.75. I want it to be even with that guide up there about in the center of my rectangle, and it has to have a 1-point border. Okay. Then it wants you to repeat the above or copy and paste to create the back side of the doorknob. So this is going to be my front side and then my back side. So I can just click to share them both. I have my rectangles outlined, so hold down the Shift key, select your circle, then holding down the left clicker on your mouse, hold down the Control key, slide it over to make another copy, release your finger on your mouse, and then release your Control key. Remember to release your finger on the mouse first, then the Control key. And now you have two. You're going to design this front side and this back side. On there, you need to put a message on each side, maybe like sleeping, keep out, or do not disturb, or come in, you're welcome to come in. And you also need a graphic on each side. So go ahead and design your doorknob. You'll copy it off and then you'll cut the circle out, glue the two sides together, and then you can have that to hang on your doorknob. Have fun!